Hello everyone, let's discuss some important questions for the UP LT grade English subject. The first question is on your screen. Who wrote the poem Wasteland? The right answer will be T.S. Eliot. And if we talk about T.S. Eliot, we should know that he received a Nobel Prize in 1948. Kindly note down. This is also important point. And Wasteland was written in which year? 1922. This can also be a question. Question number 2 on the screen. Beauty is truth, truth beauty is from which poem? The right answer is Ode on a Grecian Urn, written by John Keats in 1819. Kindly note down these 2 points are also important. John Keats wrote this poem, this ode, in which year? In 1819. These are important questions and these points are also important. The third question on your screen: who wrote the poem My Last Touches? Right answer will be Robert Browning. Robert Browning was a Victorian poet. He wrote this poem in 1842. And John Donne is a metaphysical poet. Other poets are Victorian poet. Next question is: Fall is fair and fair is foul appears in which play? Right answer will be Macbeth. Macbeth was written by Shakespeare in which year? In 1605. Other play states are mentioned here. Hamlet in 1601. Next question is: what is the main theme of the Second Coming by W.B. Yeats? Answer is collapse of civilization. The next question is: the poem Because I Could Not Stop for Death is written by Emily Dickinson is the right answer. Similarly, डेथ से रिलेटेड एक और पोएम है, वो है दैट नॉट टू बी प्राउड. किसने लिखी है? जॉन डॉन ने. जॉन डॉन वॉज अ मेटाफिजिकल पोइट. So kindly note down these 2 points. These 2 points are related to each other. These questions are very important for the UP-LT grade English subject. And if we talk about some other metaphysical poets, they were George Herbert. Next question is: which poem contains the line to strive, to seek, to find and to yield? Right answer is Ulysses. Ulysses was written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. He was a Victorian poet. He wrote this poem in 1842. Kindly note down these points also. Next question is: Animal Farm is a political satire written by George Orwell. He wrote this satire in 1945. This is also important. Next question is: the rhyme scheme of a Shakespearean sonnet is? The right answer will be AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF and GG. But similarly, if we talk about the Italian sonnet, then the rhyme scheme will be AB, BA, AB, BA, CD, C, CD, C. What is dramatic irony? The right answer will be reader knows more than the character. The next question is: who is known as metaphysical poet John Donne? Similarly, there are some other metaphysical poets. They were George Herbert, Henry Vaughan and Andrew Marvell. These are also important metaphysical poets. Kindly note down. The next question is: the poem Dover Beach is written by? The right answer will be Matthew Arnold. He wrote this poem in 1851. Kindly note down. Similarly, Scholar Gypsy is also an important poem by Matthew Arnold. He wrote this poem in 1853. These are 2 important questions. Next question is: stream of consciousness technique is associated with? The right answer will be James Joyce. Similarly, negative capability किसने लिखी थी? John Keats ने दी है negative capability. This can also be a question. Kindly note down this also. Next question is: the line "the world is too much with us" criticizes? Answer will be materialism. The writer and who wrote this poem? This poem was written by William Wordsworth in 1807. Similarly, next question: the Rape of the Lock is written as a mock epic. Who wrote this? Alexander Pope wrote this mock epic in which year? In 1812 to 1814. Next question: what does enjambment mean? The right answer will be a line continuing without punctuation. Similarly, option number D is a pause in a poem is known as caesura. Caesura can also be a question, so kindly note down: a pause in a poem is known as caesura. Next question: The Fly by Catherine Mansfield deals with grief. Next question: who wrote Ode to the West Wind? P.B. Shelley. P.B. Shelley was a romantic poet. Similarly, the main theme of Animal Farm is political misuse of power. The question is repeated second time. This is also most important question. Who wrote Animal Farm? George Orwell. In which year? 1945. Kindly note down these all points. These all points are very important. P.B. Shelley was a romantic poet and romantic age is from 1798 to 1837. John Keats, Wordsworth, all these poets were romantic poets. Next question: the main theme of Animal Farm is political misuse of power. Last question: canonization deals with love and spirituality. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe, and kindly comment your query that on which next topic I should make video. Similarly, the question series will be continued in the upcoming videos also. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe the channel for more such content. Kindly like, share and subscribe.